Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that riding an e-bike uphill can sometimes feel even easier than coasting on flat terrain? Sounds crazy, right? Today, we're diving into the top best e-bikes for hills you can buy on Amazon, all designed to help you conquer inclines with ease. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Let's get started. On number 6, the 26-inch electric bike for adults with a 1,000-watt peak motor is a powerhouse built for versatility and long-range adventures. With its massive removable battery offering up to 80 miles, this bike practically eliminates range anxiety, letting you tackle extended climbs and multi-hour rides without constantly worrying about charging. The 26-inch wheels provide superior stability and rolling efficiency, making it smoother over rough roads and gravel compared to smaller 20-inch fat tires. Its 7-speed transmission allows precise control over hills, giving riders both speed and endurance. When compared to the Moon Cool Electric Cruiser, which has a weaker 700-watt motor and only a 40-mile range, this bike shines with raw power and range, though it sacrifices step-through convenience. The bike is heavy and not foldable, which makes storage a consideration, and it only has front suspension, so rough terrain may feel a bit firm. However, for rural commuters, adventure riders, or anyone who values range and stability over portability, this is a top contender. Its durable build, large wheels, and reliable power make it an excellent choice for tackling steep inclines, long commutes, and off-road trails with confidence. What do you think about this one for tackling serious hills? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, the 1,000-watt folding electric bike is all about combining power with portability. Sporting a 48-volt, 20.8 ampere-hour battery, it achieves an impressive 80-mile range, while the 1,000-watt motor pushes it to 30-plus miles per hour, easily climbing hills that would tire out most riders. What's unique is that despite being a folding bike, it features 20-inch fat tires, allowing smooth performance on varied terrains, gravel, sand, snow, or pavement. Compared to the larger 26-inch non-folding e-bike from number 6, this model sacrifices the slightly better stability of big wheels for the ability to fold and store conveniently, making it perfect for apartment dwellers, RV owners, or commuters using public transit. In real-world use, the bike handles long rides and hill climbs surprisingly well for a folding model, and the removable battery allows indoor charging, reducing hassle. Downsides include the legal ambiguity of exceeding 30 miles per hour on some public paths, as well as its heavy frame when folded. Yet, for riders who want a powerful hill-climbing e-bike that can be easily stored, this is arguably unmatched in its class. Its blend of top speed, range, and compactness makes it a fantastic option for both city commuting and weekend adventure. Which would you pick for multimodal commuting? Big wheels or foldable convenience? Number 4. The 26-inch electric mountain bike with a 1,000-watt peak motor is perfect for riders who want certified safety without sacrificing performance. Its 48-volt battery offers up to 50 miles range, and the 21.7 miles per hour top speed is ideal for legal compliance while still being powerful enough for steep trails. The adjustable stem and lockable suspension fork are game changers, allowing riders to switch between aggressive trail positioning and upright commuting comfort. Compared to the e-bikes from number 6 and 5, it balances high torque for hills with legal speed limits and safety certification UL 2849, making it excellent for those who ride on mixed terrain or need peace of mind on electrics. The 21-speed Shimano gearing ensures you can pedal efficiently even if the battery runs low, giving riders full control over climbs and descents. The trade-offs are a slightly lower top speed and front suspension only, which may feel limiting on really rough trails. Yet this e-bike excels for intermediate commuters and recreational riders seeking a combination of off-road ability, safety, and mechanical reliability. If you prioritize certified safety and adjustable comfort while tackling hills, this model is tough to beat. Would you value safety certification over maximum speed? Drop your thoughts below. On number 3, the 1,000-watt peak electric bike for adults combines versatility, reliable hill climbing power, and hybrid commuter convenience. With a 360 watt-hour removable battery, it achieves 40-plus miles of practical range and a 25 miles per hour top speed, perfect for legal Class 3 riding while still conquering steep inclines. The 26-inch wheels and front suspension ensure smooth rides across uneven city streets and light trails. Compared to the 26-inch e-bike in number 6, it sacrifices extreme range for a lighter, more commuter-friendly setup, and compared to number 5, it loses foldable portability but gains slightly better handling and hill torque due to larger wheels. Its 7-speed gearing provides a good balance for climbing, and its hybrid design makes it suitable for both urban commutes and recreational rides in hilly areas. Downsides include limited battery size and only front suspension. But for riders who want a dependable, all-rounder hill climbing e-bike without overcomplicating storage, this is a solid pick. How important is range versus maneuverability for you on hilly rides? On number 2, the HOVERFLY OUREA 26-inch electric bike offers UL 2849 safety certification, fat tire traction, and legal compliance, making it perfect for first-time riders or those in jurisdictions with strict Class 2 speed limits. Its 750-watt peak motor and 40-mile range provide sufficient hill climbing capability for average inclines, while the shock-absorbing fat tires make rough terrain manageable. Compared to higher-powered models like number 6, 5, and 3, it's deliberately limited in speed and range, but gains peace of mind and dependable traction, ideal for cautious riders or those prioritizing safety over raw performance. While it won't win in top-end power or extreme long-range climbing, its certified build and stable ride make it one of the safest bets for hill commuters and recreational riders. Would you sacrifice a bit of speed for guaranteed safety on hills? On number 1, the isinwheel U8 electric bike is a beast when it comes to extreme range and hill climbing power. With 1,000 watts peak motor capability, 75 to 105 miles of range depending on the battery, and flexible speeds from 20 miles per hour, Class 2, to 28 miles per hour, Class 3, it combines accessibility, fat tire stability, and endurance in one aggressive package. Compared to the HOVERFLY OUREA, it doubles the range and significantly boosts speed, making it ideal for epic commutes, long-distance delivery riders, or adventurers who want to climb hills without worrying about charging. Its step-through design also enhances usability for riders of all skill levels, while 20-inch fat tires ensure traction and stability across 1 minute snow, gravel, and urban potholes. Downsides include regulatory ambiguity at 28 miles per hour and heavier structure due to the large battery. But for anyone seeking unrivaled distance and all-terrain confidence, this bike is unmatched. Between numbers 6 and 1, if range and climb efficiency are your priority, the isinwheel U8 likely edges ahead. Which one would you pick for conquering hills effortlessly? Extreme range or legal compliance with safety certification? Comment below. So guys, that wraps up our roundup of the best e-bikes for hills. From ultra-long-range beasts to certified safety champions, there's something here for every rider. All the links are in the description, so check them out and let us know which e-bike you'd take for your next steep adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more electric bike reviews.